Running Mac diagnostics with TechTool Pro and ended up with a TechTool file you need to review? This is a data file from Micromat's Mac maintenance and repair utility. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and interpret these TechTool Pro data files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted TechTool files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. TechTool files are data files created by TechTool Pro, a comprehensive Mac diagnostic and maintenance utility from Micromat. They store hardware test results, disk health data, smart status reports, system benchmarks, and diagnostic logs, used to monitor Mac computer health and identify potential hardware or software issues. TechTool files use a Micromat-specific format, storing diagnostic test data, hardware sensor readings, benchmark scores, and historical comparison data. The format integrates with TechTool Pro's eDrive emergency partition and reporting modules tracking changes over time to identify gradual hardware degradation before complete failure occurs. For full compatibility with TechTool, use the proprietary TechTool Pro developed by Micromat. Windows often fails to decompress all components within this complex format. Windows may offer minimal previews, but complete visibility requires a compatible application. Let's make this simple. Right-click the TechTool file and hit Open With. If TechTool Pro is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, choose another program. It's a matter of finding the right decoder. If the TechTool file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the TechTool problem. First, opening in TechTool Pro. Launch TechTool Pro on your Mac and use File then Open, or double-click the TechTool file in Finder. The application loads the diagnostic data displaying test results in its native interface, where you can review hardware status, smart values, and historical comparisons against previous test runs of the same system. Next, viewing reports. TechTool Pro generates human-readable reports from TechTool data files. Use the Reports module to export findings as PDF or text files for documentation or sharing with technical support. Reports include timestamped test results, pass-fail status, hardware specifications, and recommendations for addressing identified issues. Finally, comparing historical data. Use TechTool Pro's History feature to compare current TechTool data against previous diagnostic runs. Trends in disk health, temperature readings, or benchmark performance can reveal developing problems before failure. Regular diagnostic schedules with archived TechTool files provide valuable baseline data for proactive Mac maintenance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.